Crystal clear water, soft white sand, and absolute silence. Welcome to Wandoor Beach, one of Andaman's most peaceful coastal escapes. Located about 25 km from Port Blair, Wandoor Beach is not just beautiful. You will get feel of Thailand here. It's the gateway to Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. If you love nature, calm beaches, and untouched beauty, this place is for you. Unlike crowded tourist beaches, Wandoor feels raw and natural. The water here changes shades turquoise, blue, and emerald all in one view. Soft sand, gentle waves, and fresh sea breeze make it ideal for relaxation. Wandoor is famous because boats to Jolly Bui and Red Skin Islands start from here. These islands are part of Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, home to coral reefs, colorful fish, and rich marine life. Snorkeling here feels like entering another world. At Wandoor Beach, you can relax by the sea, enjoy swimming in calm waters, go snorkeling and glass-bottom boat rides, take boat trips to nearby islands, enjoy peaceful sunsets. The best time to visit Wandoor Beach is from October to May. Avoid monsoon season, as boat services may stop. Wandoor Beach is not about noise or nightlife. It's about peace, nature, and pure beauty. If you're visiting Andaman, don't miss this hidden gem.